Mars entering Aries reignites the fire, a surge of momentum, clarity and raw forward motion. Hey there, this is Jojo from 7th Plane Healings and AstroJo.com with your AstroSonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this episode, we're exploring Mars entering Aries on the 10th of April 2026 at 5:36 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And we're also looking at Mars's conjunction with Pallas Athena, Mercury, Neptune, Saturn, a sextiles to Uranus, and sextiles to Pluto and Juno conjunction, and how these frequencies are activating your drive, direction, and inner fire. But before we dive in, just a quick note. If you love working with planetary frequencies, I've been creating personalized tuning fork alignments and frequency imprinted pendants, which many of you have been asking about. So if they resonate with you, you'll find some links in the description at the end or in the bio, depending on where you're watching this from. And in this episode, you'll discover how Mars in Aries resets your motivation and momentum. And how these aspects sharpen intuition, strategy, communication, and discipline. Then we'll drop into a planetary tuning fork sound bath, which is designed to harmonize you with the Mars in Aries frequency. So this one is energizing, it's clarifying, and it's deeply activating. So let's look at the astro breakdown. So we have Mars that enters Aries at 5:36 a.m. on Australian Eastern Standard Time on the 10th of April. And it's returning to its home sign, the place where Mars is strongest, clearest, and most direct. So this is pure fire, action, courage, and forward motion. This transit resets your drive and brings a surge of clarity around what you want and how to pursue it. So we have Mars in a conjunction with Pallas Athena. Strategy meets instinct. This is intuitive intelligence, pattern recognition, tactile clarity. You don't just act, you act with precision. Mars conjunct Mercury. Words become sharp, direct, and decisive. Communication accelerates. Ideas turn into action quickly. This is mental firepower. And Mars is in a conjunction with Neptune. So action meets intuition. This softens the edges of Mars, blending instinct with spiritual clarity. You may also feel guided, inspired, or pulled towards something meaningful. Mars conjunct Saturn. This is where discipline meets drive. This is long-term action, sustainable effort, and grounded ambition. Mars plus Saturn in Aries is powerful. It's focused fire. It's not scattered fire. Mars sextile Uranus. Breakthrough energy, innovation, liberation, and sudden clarity. This is the spark that changes everything. It's a shift in direction or a new idea that accelerates your path. We have Mars semi-sextile Pluto and Juno. We're in conjunct at the moment. So deep relational transformation. Pluto brings empowerment and Juno brings alignment and commitment. And this aspect, it supports honest conversation, regenerative agreements, and powerful relational clarity. And overall, Mars entering Aries is a moment of ignition, a return of energy, direction, and personal agency. This is where things start moving again. So let's align with these frequencies. If you'd like to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath and just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And our affirmation is, I move forward with clarity, courage, and purpose. I move forward with clarity, courage, and purpose. Take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling the balance and harmony within. And if you'd like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, which is specifically created to your own natal chart or your solar return chart, or your transits that are happening to your natal chart, just check out astrojo.com or check out the links there. There'll be more information, or reach out to me. And if you are curious about my Attune Coherence Pendant, this is handmade by me, hand wound copper biphylla coil. It is cut to the length of a sacred cubit. It has supportive frequencies, and you can find it at seventhplanehealings.com or in the description, or reach out. And it's designed to hold a stable, coherent field that travels with you. So thanks again for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe if you want more weekly AstroSonics journeys. And I've also got Spotify account if you prefer to listen that way. And let's tune into the universe together.